In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a RocketLawyer account. Whether you're looking to handle legal documents, get insight from attorneys, or streamline your business processes within corporations and taxes, having an account with RocketLawyer can truly simplify your journey. So let's dive right in and get your account up and running in just a few simple steps. To begin, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the RocketLawyer website. You can do this by typing in the web address directly into the search bar or simply searching for RocketLawyer online. Once you've successfully arrived at the website's homepage, you'll notice a wide array of resources available. However, for the purpose of this demonstration, let's focus on getting your own personal account set up. Look for the option that says Start Free Trial, which is typically located in a prominent position on the page. Click on this button and it will guide you to a registration page where you'll enter your user information. On the registration page, you'll find fields designated for your email and password. Go ahead and type in your email address in the provided box. It's important to use an email that you regularly check because RocketLawyer will use this to communicate important updates and information about your account. Once you've entered your email address, proceed to the next box and think of a strong, secure password. A good tip for creating strong passwords is to include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've decided on a password, simply type it into the password field. After you've filled out both your email and password, you're ready for the next step. You'll notice a button labeled Continue. By clicking this, you'll be submitting your registration info and setting the wheels in motion to create your account. It's a straightforward button click, but it's crucial because it transitions you from just filling out information to actually establishing your RocketLawyer presence. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you've just created your very own RocketLawyer account. Remember, the free trial offers you the opportunity to explore the full range of features and services that RocketLawyer has to offer. It's an excellent way to familiarize yourself with the platform and ensure that it meets your needs. Now that your account is all set up, you can start taking advantage of everything, from crafting personalized legal documents to consulting with legal professionals. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial on setting up your RocketLawyer account. I hope you found it simple and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and insights.